For over a century, Scania has built strength by facing the challenges of the forest, pushing our trucks to grow stronger with every log, hill, and twist in the road. With raw power, low-revving diesel engines, and turbocharged trucks, we have created unprecedented power. And now, we have redefined strength altogether. Meet the electric timber truck. All of the power, none of the noise. The strong, silent type that lets the features speak for themselves. The bringer of a silent revolution, you could say, because if we can make it work here, we can make it work anywhere. When you've been around as long as we have, you know it's not just about making noise. It's about making history.